Hi, this is a video on how to efficiently fill up your wall of waters to protect your tomato plants from the cold. The supplies I use are a 5-gallon bucket. I've drilled a couple of holes in the bottom to put a rope through, tied it inside. This will be used to hold the wall of water up from collapsing as you're trying to fill it over the tomato plant. You put this on the tomato plant, center it. I use a vinegar bottle, plastic vinegar bottle that I've cut the bottom off. This will come in handy when you're filling the tubes of the wall of water. You have a nozzle with a stream flow that you can use to fill the wall of water. And then it's convenient to have something to be able to set your nozzle on in between tubes being filled. And then of course you have the wall of water themselves. So you put this over the bucket. It's helpful to have something to sit on as you're filling. Nice little bench works well for that. You use the vinegar bottle to stick into one of the tubes. Fill it up with your water stream. I have the stream set not too hard so it doesn't go nuts and spray every place. And it's helpful to put your first tubes on opposite sides to help keep the wall of water balanced. Once you have a few on all 4 sides filled up to stabilize, then you can just proceed around and fill up the other tubes, adjusting from side to side as necessary to keep it stable and not falling over. But it's pretty stable at this point. Once you have all the tubes filled up, then you can take the bucket by the rope, hold it out gently, and your wall of water will fold up in a little bit of a cone shape. You can adjust it as needed to have it as open or as closed as you want the top to be. The bucket is also a handy place to store your wall of waters over the winter. Good luck with your gardening.